Hello everyone. So let's today we will discuss about SAP GUI. So if you have any window operating systems, okay, then how you can install SAP GUI. So if you have your operating system window, then you will have to install SAP GUI login pad in your window operating systems. Okay, so you can watch my previous video to how to download and install the SAP GUI for window operating systems. Okay, so once you installed SAP GUI in your laptop or your computer over your desktop, okay, you will see this kind of a icon basically. Okay, so if you click this SAP GUI login, you can see the release. Okay, final release you can see 770. Okay, so this kind of look like GUI. Okay, that is a graphical user interface. GUI means graphical user interface. So you can see like this a GUI. Okay, so you can see already I already added here the server detail of ECC for all module. Okay, so how to work basically, if you are a beginner, you don't know how it works basically and how to connect the servers. Okay, I am going to tell you here how basically GUI is work and how to connect with the SAP ECC server. Okay, first of all, we will focus today only SAP GUI features. Okay, so now you can see here, if you have already installed GUI in your laptop, you can see here. Okay, if you right click top of this here, you will see move size. Okay, you can minimize, maximize, you can close. Okay, now come to the options here. Okay, if you click options, okay, under options you can see visual design options. Okay, what are the visual basically? These are the theme setting of your GUI or complete your okay, like SAP's login screen. How could you can see SAP login and what are the visual design you want? You can see currently is a SAP signature themes I have selected. So you can select anyone as per your requirements. Okay. Now come to here the font setting of your visual design. So you can by default select here Courier New 14. Okay, so this is by default. If you want to change anything, you can change it. Now come to branding here. If you want your title over the screen of your first login, so you can put it over here. Okay, now custom colors. If you want something custom, okay, your own choice of your customs, so you can do it here. Okay, now finally we have a last, that is a color setting. If you want some own color like a bold, gold, green, whatever the color you want of your screen, okay, you can set over here. So now we have by default that is already signature is set over here. Okay, so this is we have a now next we have a interactions design. Okay, like a keypad. Okay, keyboard. Okay, how like visualizations will help you, so you can go through. This is not a mandatory, but you can go at least. Okay, color setting, control settings, sound setting, even if you click what kind of sound you want to okay produce. So these all the audio settings, if you want to active, you can active over here, you can see. But if it required, otherwise you see so many options are available. So if you want, you can use, otherwise don't use this one. Okay, now you can see here accessibility scripting. Okay, if you want some scripting, okay, then you can some accessibility. Okay, if you require some other kind of scripting enable, then you can use it, otherwise no required. Okay, now come to the multi Google settings. Okay, we have some coding, okay, graphics. So these are the not mandatory things. You can skip, no problem. But now come to the local data. If you want to some history, you want to check it, okay, you can do this. Options are available here. Local data. Tracing even are also available here. Okay, you can trace it if in case some issues you on your login pad. Security data also configurations you can do it like okay. Similarly, we have a here login options. Okay, what kind of login options? Okay, what are the sizes you want? Default is a 10. If you want to increase, and by default language you can see here. Whatever the languages you select would be reflected here. So now currently is a English. If you want to change, you can change it. And whatever your options you want, you can do it over here. No configurations, these are the configurations, basically how you want and where your this login pad is installed. Okay, these are the basic things. Okay, now front end tools also, you can something if you want to customer configuration, you can do it customer. Okay, even restore. Okay, while exporting or importing, you want to restore, you can restore. Even system information you can see here, like 770 final release, and this is the your exe file, and this is the final version of this basically GUI. Okay, these are the patch. Okay, so these are basically, okay, if you can change installation, you can check it here over. So these are the basically, okay, the features. Okay, if whatever the options you want to select here, you can select and apply here. Okay, and then you have to okay, after that it will reflect over here. Okay, so this is, we have all options. Okay, for related to GUI. Apart from that, also we will have some options like about SAP logon. If you click here, you can check your login components, like what are the version, what is the release, okay, or the version, everything. Okay, if you want to go detail like SAP version informations, client detail informations. Okay, so you will have a complete GUI. So this is basically, we will have a GUI. Okay, ECC GUI basic idea. Okay, for the beginners. Okay, so please go ahead. Okay, and check this one. Okay, if in case any query, please comment and do follow and subscribe these channels. So thanks, thank you for watching this video.